Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you a trick that I figured out less than 10 minutes, and this is my second video that I'm going to post today. This is the bonus video. That something that I did figure out today that I needed to share. Something very neat. I have been an IT guy almost 25 years, and I have been working with a lot of legal firms that works with a lot of PDFs, and a lot of people that works with PDF. PDF is the standard format for legal documents. So most of the times, these attorneys, they create these big documents, the orders, and they don't save the document in Word. So, or in different offices, not that doesn't depends on if there is a legal firm. So they will request you that to convert that PDF to a Word document because they don't want to recreate the stuff. And most of the time, I normally tell them like, well, okay, use your Adobe Acrobat and convert it back. But sometimes offices doesn't have the money to buy a standard version of Adobe, and there's a lot of product, but most of the times they're not very good. So this morning, somebody asked me, "Hey, the same thing. Can you convert this document to this Word, this PDF document to Word?" And I did start searching. And I did pinpoint an article in Google, and that I can convert. This is something new that I didn't know. That is the reason that I'm sharing this. That you can convert PDF documents using Word, the latest version of Word. Like I think it's from 2013 to Office 365. So it's simple. You open Word. In this scenario, I'm using Office 365, but you can use the Office 2016. So you open Word. Here, you mark open. I browse the document, and I in the type of document, I will select all files, and select the PDF. They will give me the warning because there's sometimes the formatting will be different. And you press OK, and that's it. Word did convert almost identical a document that was in PDF. So guys, share this information. Also subscribe to my channel. My channel is based on tricks like this, easy solution for your business or personally. Please subscribe, and then hit the like icon and hit the bell icon, so that way you will not miss any video. So thank you.